Welcome to Ingram ID. Ready to promote your book? By creating an account, you've now unlocked new possibilities for marketing your book and reaching new readers. Let's get started.
An Ingram ID giveaway is a promotional campaign that allows you to offer free copies of your book to readers who enter for a chance to win. Giveaways are a great way to build awareness, attract new readers, and generate interest in your book. Your giveaway is hosted on our website, bookfinity.com. When readers enter the giveaway on Bookfinity, your book is automatically added to their want-to-read list, further exposing it to their networks and signaling interest to the wider community. To create a book giveaway in Ingram ID, click on Giveaways, then the New Giveaway button. Give your giveaway a name. Note that the giveaway name will be visible to not only you, but everyone who sees your giveaway on our website, bookfinity.com. I will name my giveaway The Calamity Club by Catherine Stockett Giveaway. Enter a description for your giveaway. The description will also be visible to everyone on Bookfinity. After that, search our database for the book you want to give away. If your book is in our database, search results will appear and some of the book's information will automatically be added into your giveaway. If your book is not in our database because it is an advanced reader copy, you can choose to enter your book manually. You can search by using the book's title, author name, or ISBN. When you find the book you want to give away, click on it to select it, then click on the Add Title button. Then enter the publisher's name and the link to purchase your book. Then click the Continue button. Next, choose up to 3 audiences that are relevant to your giveaway. Each audience you choose will map to a Bookfinity reader type. Then click the Continue button. Choose the day your giveaway will start. Enter the number of winners and value of your book. Then enter your contact and shipping information in the case that we need to reach out to you. After that, review whether all the information presented is correct. Review and agree to the terms and conditions, and agree that you are responsible for shipping the book directly to the winners in a timely manner after your giveaway ends. Note that giveaways are 30 days and winners are selected at random. Once the winners are selected, we will notify both you and the winner with an email from Bookfinity. Then, click on the Proceed to Checkout button to pay for your giveaway. Lastly, enter your payment information to complete the setup of your giveaway.